croeso I Meithrin Sally Mali. Dyma I drws y flaen i ni ddod mae i'r Meithrin yn gyntaf. So, hello, I am Miss Blackborow and here we are at the Nursery Meithrin Sally Mali. I will be here on a Thursday and a Friday every week and every other Wednesday. Hello, rydw I am Miss Blackborow, bydda fi yma pob dydd Iau ac pob dydd Gwener ac am yn ail dydd Mercher. Dewch mewn I weld ein Meithrin ni. So dyma lle byddwn ni'n rhoi ein cot our bags. Here is where we'll be putting our coats and our bags. Dewch mewn, come on into our nursery. Edrych fan hyn, here is our reading corner. So you can dewis llyfr, you can choose a book. And eistedd and sit by here to read a story. Dewch mewn yn fwy. Dyma ein tŷ bach. Here is our toilets. Dyma lle ni'n golchi ein dwylo. Here is where we wash our hands. A dyma'r tŷ bach. Mae angen cofio, we need to remember when we come in each morning or each afternoon, we'll need to wash our hands before we can go and sit on the carpet. Cyn I ni fynd mewn, bydd angen I golchi dwylo, cyn I ni eistedd ar y carpet. Dewch mewn. Dyma ein ardal ysgrifennu. Here is our writing table. Dyma'r carpet Sally Mali. Here is our carpet in Sally Mali. A dyma'r bwrdd rhyngweithio, our smart board that we can use for different games and different activities. Dyma ein cornel blociau. Here is our block area. Gallwn adeiladu, we can build whatever we like. Maybe a castell, maybe a castle. A hefyd, dyma papur. Here is some paper, we can maybe do our design. A wedyn adeiladu, and then we can build it. Gwneud y graff y llun fan hyn a wedyn adeiladu ein tŵr, ein castell, our tower or our castle. Dyma lle byddwn ni hefyd yn cael dŵr. Here is maybe where we can be able to have water soon, and we can chwarae fel our playing area here for small people, for pobl bach ar hyn o bryd, for the little people at the moment. So we have dyma our ardal tŷ. Here is our home area. A wedyn, dyna fewn I ein. Dyma ein ystafell celf. Here is our art room, where lots of children have already made some beautiful pictures on our wall. Dyma lluniau o plant sydd wedi gwneud lluniau prydferth yn barod already. So we have our bwrdd ysgrifennu neu gwneud llun fan hyn. Neu hefyd, falle yn y dyfodol, in the future, we might be able to have some clay. A dyma lot o pethau fan hyn. We have lots of stuff here for our arts and crafts. And we have a lot more in our cupboards. We've also got the ardal peintio, the painting area by here. And we've also got a pen area on the back, or chalk or chalk neu beiro ar y cefn on the back. Mae angen cofio I gwisgo ffedog pan rydyn yn peintio. We need to remember to wear an apron when we do our painting. Okay? So dyma ein dosbarth. Hefyd, dyma ein ardal ymchwilio. Our research area where we can have a look ble mae pethau yn tyfu, maybe where things are growing, or maybe some rhywbeth gwahanol. Ar hyn o bryd, we did have pilipallas, butterflies, but the pilipallas wedi mynd, they're gone now, but they were here, so we could edrych, we can look at them, gyda'r rhain, okay, with these. We can edrych trwy them, we can look through. A dyma ein shop. Here is our shop. Mae ganddyn ni till, we have a lovely till fan hyn, a pethau I gwerthu, things to sell by here. Our shop, we can have a writing listen by here, and we can all cymryd intro, we can take it in turns to be the shopkeeper or the people that are coming into the shop, of customers. Okay? And gyflym, quickly, we'll show you tu allan, i'r ardal tu allan of our nursery, outside area. Okay, so dyma lle byddwn yn gallu adeiladu gyda'r blocks. We can build with our blocks. Mae gyda ni tŷ bach, we've got a little house over by here hefyd. Mae gyda ni dau bwrdd fan hyn I wneud chalk, and we can also gwneud ar y llaw like the children have done before. We got ardal blociau fan hyn hefyd, ac ardal adeiladu. Hefyd, mae'r bwrdd fan hyn yn y dyfodol. In the future, maybe we'll be able to put some tywod, some sand in here for us as well, some tywod, tu fewn. So hefyd, waw edrych, mae gyda ni'r ffram dringo, y llithren, the slides, the climbing frame. and our slides, and in the area by here our stones we've got some diggers and some cars there to play in the stones. Gyda diggers I chwarae yn y cerrig draw fyna hefyd. Mae gyda ni'r cegin fod, our mud kitchen, a hefyd tŷ bach tws arall gyda bwrdd a cadair. Also another little house with our table and chairs round there. So as you can see, the tywydd, the weather is lovely at the moment, and when the children are here as well, we've got lots of teganau, loads of toys in our shed with beiciau, with bikes, and lots of other things that we'll bring out as well on different days. Okay, so dyna'r tu allan. Oh, mae'r ardal dŵr draw fyna, a hefyd tŷ bach arall fyna. Another house, a water area over there as well. So dyma fi, Miss Blackborow. Here I am, Miss Blackborow. As I said, I will be here on a Thursday and a Friday, and on a Friday we will be doing sports. Miss Blackborow will be taking you either outside, or we'll be going into the hall to do our sports.